my most used top 10 winter bags collection 2024. I noticed since I start to show my collections, I begin to gain traffic. But this channel is not only about luxury items. I also share, and that is where I have passion for, it's guest guide, leveling up. I have a lot of videos in this channel to help you, my ladies, single ladies, to navigate relationship elegantly. And I have books on Amazon, how to go out alone and positive affirmation for black women. Before we go on, I have a surprise unboxing. Although I have unboxed it, I will just leave the video here. It's a Fendi mini pochette. Trust me, ladies, this is going to steal your heart. Ta-da! And of course, I will be incorporating rich tips how I use this mini pochette. Recently, I've been into tiny little cuties like this, so I don't know if this phase will pass soon, but at the moment I'm loving them. I went for this stunning rich caramel goat skin because it's perfect for autumn palettes. Aren't these just dreamy, my ladies? Gorgeous. It comes with a chain. They are tiny but mighty. You can use them as bag charm, card holder, or even a statement accessory to elevate any elegant and classy lady outfit. Ladies, isn't this pretty? Fendi always nail it with its quality design. I will stand up and show you what I'm wearing today. This scarf is from Cartier, and I have a Celine scarf ring. Louis Vuitton, I use scarf. Before you see me and the bag, you see the scarf. And this scarf is so pretty. This, my LV bag, is a statement piece that I've owned in my collection for a long time. The only thing for this bag, it does not come with a long strap. So I got this from Amazon long time ago. If you notice, it starts to peel, but it's not a problem because I always carry it this way. So when I carry it this way, you don't see the scratches. It is timeless. Let me remove this. Timeless, and always add a polished touch to any outfit, from basic to elegant, serious, classy look. When I'm carrying this, I'm not so careful like my Hermes bag. Plus, the top handle design make it super versatile because I can carry it like this in the, and because I'm not big, I could also carry it as handbag. And with this extra strap I had to it, I could use it crossbody, and it's perfect. Next ones are my Chanel bags. This is burgundy color and this is caramel, and you know burgundy is the color of the season, my ladies. And I also okay, one moment. So this purse also, I've used it a couple of times this winter season, and these two purses, since we relocated from Dubai to Italy, it has been in my box, seated there doing nothing. I almost wanted to sell these bags, but I said okay, I'll just try to use them more often this fall season. Then from next year, I think I will do a vlog sale because still in good condition. As well as this, I did not really use them so much. And this one, if you notice, it's a bit bent here. It still stands okay, but I do not like the shape so much anymore because of the way I packed it while I was coming to Italy. And since I do not have huge space for them, I just left it in the box, the cargo box. And this season color was burgundy, deep brown colors. I said to myself, oh, I have one Chanel purse that has this color, so I came grabbing it and I've been enjoying it. But this bag, I don't use it so much. is one of my least used bags. This bag with some other bags I own, I had them when I was still having babies. If any of you want these bags, chat me up on Instagram, Tekla Nancy. I'll give you a good bargain. Red is the color of the season, and this is a Chanel double flap. This is a vintage Chanel. You see this CC at the both sides. This is very unique, classy, and timeless Chanel bag. I've been using this bag so much this season because, ladies, burgundy and red fit perfectly well in the cold weather, and this red is rich, timeless, elegant, and it is perfectly paired with neutral or dark tone outfits, my ladies. This is why I won't stop wearing red, because it's bold and attractive and I want to be seen. My Bluemarine, ladies, this 100% mink, perfect for this fall weather. It's comforting when you're cold, you go out and you can hold on to this. It's so cute. And I didn't know the value of this Bluemarine. My husband gifted me this some few Christmas ago, and I didn't use. After once I didn't use it. It comes with an heart also. Now I begin to appreciate it more because it's not common. Bluemarine is a very good brand that is quite luxury. It has the trendy east-west silhouette, and what makes this so special is the fur texture gives it a bold, luxurious feel. Appropriate for this season. It's very spacious. It can fit a whole lot as well. A whole lot, like my glass case, my telephone, my wallet, and my kids' snacks, my keys can fit in here, and I can still carry it comfortably. If I do not want to carry it with the leather hand, I can take it off and carry it with just this and get going. I can't do it cross body, only at the side, or carry it as a clutch. It's so comforting, very cozy. It feels that way like a rabbit, you know. This tone add depth to my wardrobe while keeping things chic and elevated, whether I'm layering a trench coat or I'm wearing a cozy winter dress. This bag completes my look effortlessly. Now I know the value of this bag. Good thing I did not give it out, because when I was relocating I give a lot of things out, and for my type of husband, if you don't like it, it's okay, you can give it out. Fendi Zucca in canvas brown material. This is another stunning classic clutch that is great for the warm season. It has this I carry little, but it fits a lot. It fits my telephone, it fits my keys, it fits 2 cookies for my kids because I will always go with that. Surprisingly, this fits more than my Chanel. Let me bring it out for you to see. Okay, this Fendi Zucca pouch may look small, but it fits so much more than my small Chanel double flap bag, because I think I should do more of comparison video, because it fits less things, and this is not pricey compared to this, and this fits so much. The only disadvantage is this pouch does not have a long strap. Otherwise, this is perfect. Another thing I use so much this season is this suede. It's not a brand, by the way. I got this from one thrift shop. It's my easy go bag when I'm going out, and it has the woven chain. I always carry it here. When I'm going to the market, I carry this as well. It has served me so much. I don't think of it getting ruined or color transfer or whatever. The next, Ferragamo is one timeless, quiet luxury design that their silhouette is same like. I will bring my MS Kelly so you see. So when I got this MS Kelly 28, Sandro asked me, so what is the difference between these two bags? Let me close it properly. And he said, you have a bag like this. I told him, no, I don't have a bag like this. This is different. This is special. He went to my closet. He brought this one. And he said, what's the difference? Edginess, class you feel when you carry this. It gives you one sophisticated look. Although same as Ferragamo, okay? Just in case, okay, I will say this. If in case, should I do a separate video for this or just let it out? Okay. If you want a classic, timeless, quiet luxury bag and you have not been offered MS, Kelly or Birkin, I would suggest you go for a Ferragamo. It's cheaper and Ferragamo have different style, silhouettes close to MS. And I have another Ferragamo, not same design, different design, so you can buy different design. Sandro was right. No much difference, but it's light, it's not heavy. It's the craftsmanship for this, to be honest, is top notch. Satmanjoa. I hope I'm pronouncing it rightly. The French, please do not come for me. Okay, this bucket bag have the same silhouette like the trendy MS Picotin bag. First off, is the true rarity of this handbag in my collection, and this vintage Manjutwa. I hope I pronounce. I think I should check for the pronunciation.
Sac de Mangiare.
Oh, this is in Italian. Let's see if we can find in French. No French in my phone. Only English and Italian. Okay.
Sac de Mangiare.
Okay. This Satmanjoa, it's incredible, unique, dated from the 60s. I bought this online. It's a guy, he said he's selling his mom's collection, and I got it with tax, I think 1,000. And when it arrived, you see what I put in here? This is the, you see what I put in here to maintain the size. When it arrived, it came like this. I was like, oh my God, what did this man do to this bag? Because he is not aware, he's not educated about what is he just threw down. So I was telling my husband, you will die first, but if in case I die first before you, please educate my kids. These bags, my collections, they are pricey. And you also, I try to educate my husband. These are like investments. Please, you have to sell it and put the money in. I'm not saying. I said you have to sell it and give the money to our kids. Like you invest it for my kids. When they grow up, they can use it to start life. He's laughing. He said, why, you're very bad. Why you think I will die first? Anyways, joke apart. But yes, this bag, when it came, it's, if you see it on the floor, you would not want to take it if you don't know what kind of bag is this. And it's made from beautiful box leather, dated from 1960, and it still have the stamp here and inside as well. This is petite. It has few scratches, but it's still perfect and still in great condition. I mean, for his age, over 60 years. What this guy did, what he did is just check for his mom's photo when he carried this bag, and I put it there. I'm like, oh my God, this is an MS bag. I've never seen it. I think I like it because I love rare pieces. And I will tell you a story about this bag. My husband isn't a fan of this bag. He calls it a trash bucket. When he said it first, I'm like, this man, respect for ancestors. This is an ancestor bag. It's like, Even if they threw it on the floor, give him for €5, he's not going to buy. What do I like so much about this bag? Whenever I carry it, it reminds me, today you carry your trash bag again. See you, stay one corner, okay? Let mommy do shakara a bit.
Why you came out with the garbage bucket?
This is not garbage bag. This is an Hermes vintage bag. This is my husband.
It's a garbage bag.
And you know what, ladies, to be honest, I admit that this bucket bag looks similar like a horse feeding bucket. I'm not going to agree in presence of him, but yes, this is it. But to me, it's a bold statement piece that had character of elegance, sophistication, class to any elegant lady wardrobe collection. Now, ladies, tell me, would you buy this? Which of my bags is your favorite? I hope you enjoyed seeing this stunning piece and got inspired to add a touch of timeless, classic piece to your wardrobe. Please do not forget to check my other videos, share my videos, and do purchase a copy of my book to support my channel. And I will see you on the next one.